students of class 12th. Yesterday I told you about the story of the second chapter of prose supplementary portion. The name of the lesson is The Tiger King. The writer's name is Kalki. Means the Tiger King. This lesson has been written by Kalki. It is very interesting. As I told you that it is the story of Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram. His name was Jang Bahadur. Later he was called the Tiger King. It is very mysterious why he was called Tiger King, because he was fond of hunting the tiger, and he also vowed to kill 100 tigers, because the astrologers had predicted, foretold that he would be killed by the 100th tiger. The king was very brave. He did not fear from the dangers from any way. He thought that the death is must, it is inevitable. Everyone has to die one day. Why should one fear from the death? It is compulsory to come to everybody. So he did not fear from the prediction of the astrologers that he would be king from the king would be killed by the 100th tiger. He started to hunt the tigers, and in his state he killed 70 tigers. Then when the tigers were ended in his state, he proposed Diwan to seek a girl from the royal family whose state there may be many tigers, so that he might fulfill his desire of hunting the 100 tigers. He married the girl. There were many tigers. Whenever the king went to the father-in-law to visit, he killed 5 or 6 every time tigers. And in this way, within few years, he killed all the tigers from the in-laws estate. There was great problem. So in all, 29 tigers were killed by the tiger more in the estate of his father-in-law. So in this way, the king had killed 70 plus 29, 99 tigers. There was great problem of one tiger. One tiger was left, and he had taken a vow to kill 100 tigers. That's why he called Diwan and proposed him that he should find out one tiger more. If he could not succeed, he should give resignation from his post. So the Diwan was very puzzled how to arrange the tiger. He sought very much. He ran here and there in the forest, but could not find any tiger anywhere. So at last in the night, he with his wife, in the night they went to Madras by his own car. The one was driving the car, and from the public circus of Madras, he bought a very old tiger and carried that tiger in the forest of Pratibandhapuram and left it in the forest. Because tiger was very old, it could not run away. So he told the king that tiger has been seen. The king came and shot him dead, and ordered the people to carry that carcass. Carcass means dead body of the tiger to the palace. When the king went away, the people went near to the tiger to carry him to the place, but within 1 or 2 minutes, the tiger started to blink the eyes. Means he started to move his eyes in all directions. It means that the tiger was alive. It was not that because the king had missed the target and still it was alive. Rest the story I will tell you the next day. Thank you very